Jiangsu Electrical Manufacturing Corporation, a production base in Jiangyan, Wuxi, is a high-tech software enterprise providing solutions for microgrid energy efficiency management and electric use safety. With a product testing center certified by the CNAS, cooperating with the information management system to provide guarantee for the company's industrialization and large-scale implementation of products. Acrel's self-developed robotic storage system greatly improves the efficiency of pickup and makes production more. The automated production lines ensure high standards of product quality. The energy-saving control branch of Jiangsu Acrel-electrical Manufacturing Corporation was established in 2013. Its business scope includes power sensors, relays, active filtering devices, PV combiner boxes, intelligent motor controllers, low-voltage manufacturing, research, development, and sales of switch cabinets. The newly established Acrel Microgrid Research Institute is committed to the research and development of enterprise and microgrid technology. We have more than 500 research and development engineering and technical talents, focusing on user-side energy efficiency system and energy internet, and has one-stop serviceability from cloud platform software to terminal components, forming an cloud edge and energy internet ecosystem. It has more than 500 patents and software copyrights. As of December 2021, there are 22 invention patents, 1352 utility model patents, 150 exterior design patent, and 251 software copyrights. The e-commerce team faces the whole world and steadily expands the overseas markets. Our team has come to Dubai, Hanover, Moscow, Ho Chi Minh, Jakarta, and other cities to participate in international exhibitions. At present, there are more than 14,000 sets of system solutions applicated all over the world. The combination of online and offline provide global users with good service experience and greatly win their favors. The company will adhere to the concept of innovation, high accuracy, unity, integrity, adhere to the steady operation, continuous innovation, provide users safe, reliable, and efficient energy solution, and strength data support for the realization of carbon peak, carbon neutrality,